VMT plays a big part with using part profits, being involved in charitable work. So that's both back home in Australia, which is often with farming and wildlife shelters, and also across borders into Vietnam. We've been heavily connected with a wildlife anti-trafficking unit, which has made amazing success in creating education for wildlife trafficking and things like that. Then hopping borders from Vietnam into Cambodia with Global Village Housing, which was essentially founded by us back in the day, and essentially we've built over 334 houses for under $1 million, which was interesting because I've just read today that the Red Cross had something like $600 million and they built like 6 houses in Haiti or something. So we like to be involved in these real deal, small grassroots charities that really are making a huge difference, and that's within families back home and communities, or of course within Vietnam and across borders into Cambodia. I think a great thing is too that once riders discover that we're involved in these different programs, I think people really like a part of that knowing that they're touring with someone that's making such a positive impact in the local communities. So it also makes them feel quite good too, that they can see that not only are we having great times riding motorbikes, but we are really leaving a good positive impact in these areas that we're often touring.